Hello students, how are you? Hope that all of you are fine. So what is today's topic? That is visualize on your screen. So it is links. So today we will learn about the hyperlinks. So what is the use of these hyperlinks? That with the help of these hyperlinks we can switch over to one page to another page in a website, or in a page we can move from one section to another section with the help of these hyperlinks. Clear? So which tag we use for that purpose? The tag name is a tag and it is called a anchor tag. Now when we use only this a tag and I write down here CLICK, click me, and I close this a tag, it is a container tag. So see what happened to the file. Right now the color is nothing is here because I have not used any href tag, so it is a plain text. So it is important to use a href attribute. So now I use href hypertext hyperreference. Href full form is hyperreference. So I give the name of the file. Right now I give hash sign to this one only. Control S. I am not giving any link, but I refresh the file. You can see that underline sign is there and the color becomes blue of this file. Is it clear? So it means that it is non-widgeted link. When I click on this and hold the left key, the color becomes red by default. We can change this color also, but later on I will explain you. Now when I release this, simply the color become purple. You see that here the pointer is, so it is only a pointer. When the pointer is over this hyperlink, what appears? Immediately a hand is appear. It shows that it is a hyperlink. And you see also here at this side, in this side, when I switch over to this hyperlink, when the mouse pointer is over the hyperlink, it shows us the address of the file immediately. Clear? Now I'll give the address of the file which I want to attach right now. Image file. This file I want to attach. So image image URL. We give the URL image.html. Both the files are in the same folder. That's why only I need to give the name of the file along with its extension. Clear? Otherwise, the same rule we have to follow which I applied in the image when I explain the image, because we have to give the URL here, address of the file. Control S. Now I'll refresh this page. Again I increase the size this file. Now I click on this, color become red. It means it is active, or when I release this it becomes visited. So now where I am now right now, I am on image file. So this way I shifted from the link file to the image file. This is called hyperlink. So now a link tag is there, link link, and I give the color, suppose yellow. By default the color is blue. Now I give yellow to this. So see what happened to the file. Refresh it. Nothing has changed. If I make another link, suppose Control C and Control V, I'll give the another link. I'll give the link of another file, that first file, first.html. This is non-visited. FIRST, first.html. Control S. You can see the color is not changed. Why? It is link tag, V link or A link, yellow color. Okay, now I make some changes there. V link, the color becomes yellow. I give here Okay, so it is not showing us the color. Otherwise, initially with the help of the link we can set the color of the links initial color, but okay, doesn't matter. But a V link represents a visited link, and for active link, a link we use, and I give here color instead of red, green, GREEN, green. So refresh it. Now we see the color becomes green. It is of a active color. Clear? This one is also for active. When I click on this, switch over to which file? First.html. Clear? When I click on this, so control is transferred to image.html file. Is it clear? Now I use here BR tag. BR is for break row. Now I'll explain you something more about a tag. So it's one of its next attribute is that is called target attribute, TAR, target attribute, and I give value here underscore blank. What I give? Blank, BLANK, blank. See the effect. Now when I use the blank, so instead of opening the file in the same place, in the same tab, it opens the file in a new tab. Click on this. So you see that here is the HTML links.html file, and it is image file. Clear? So in the target, by default the value is self, which represents that the file opens in the same tab. Click on this. Now it opens in the same tab. If the value is blank, then the file opens in another tab. So it's up to you that which one you want to use. So blank, sometimes we don't want to open the next page in the same file, so we make the target value underscore blank. Is it clear? Blank. Now you see that. Okay, the value of the click me is by default self, but this click me is blank. Clear? Okay. Now the next. Now I want to make the image as a link. I want to use an image as a link. For that purpose, I open the image file, image in a notepad++. Okay, and I make which image? I make this bird image use as a link. So a tag I use here, href equals to, and I give the address of link file, link.html. Extension is link.html, link.html. Clear? I close this one, and here I close this a tag. So inside this I use image tag. Control S. Switch over to this file, this one. Now you see that this picture pointer is there, in this GIF pointer is there, but when I control is over the bird, automatically a finger appears. It shows that it becomes a hyperlink. So I am using image as a hyperlink. So when I click on this, so immediately the control is transferred to click me. So click me to hyperlink. So here you see that what is the by default, the target is blank. Here the target becomes self underscore self. That's why when I click on this, you see that the file is opening in the same tab, but when I click on this, the file is opening in another tab. Is it clear? Okay, I think it is so easy. If you do practice of this, so you become a master in this one. Okay, now I want to explain you something more regarding this. So now I will learn how to make a link in a same file, how to transfer a control from one point to another point in a same file. So for that purpose I add some paragraph here for p tag, and here I use p tag. Inside this I add some text. So here I am having a text regarding the Mahatma Gandhi ji. So I'll copy this much of text and paste it here. Control S. See the effect. Okay, the paragraph is there. I add one more paragraph here. P tag. Again I am using a p tag. Close this p tag. Here it is not closed. Okay, close this p tag. Inside this I paste the rest of the paragraph regarding Gandhi ji. Okay, I'll pick up this paragraph from there. Okay, this one, and remaining this one is left, this paragraph is left, so that I paste in the previous one. So here I paste it. Okay, so now Control S, close this one, Control S. The complete paragraph is there. Clear? I want a link. I create a link here, and when I click on this, so directly I want that the control is transferred to this paragraph. So how it is possible? Let's see. First I'll make a link here. Above this I use BR tag, and I use A tag. Okay, later on I use A tag. First I give ID to this paragraph. For that purpose I use ID tag, and I give ID that vision. Okay, so what ID I have given? Vision to this paragraph. So I make a hyperlink here. A tag href hyperreference, and hash keyword I use, hash for ID, or what ID I have given? VISIUN. Any word you can use. Vision. This one. Close, and here I write down Mahatma GANDHI Gandhi Ji's Mahatma Gandhi Ji's vision. Gandhi Ji's vision. VISIUN, and close this A. Control S. The page is refreshed when I press this one, F5. So you see that a hyperlink is there. Now when I click this, so here you see at the bottom it is showing that vision. This place, if you see that this link is showing that hash vision. When I click on this, so directly the control is transferred to where? Vision paragraph. This one again I show you, where when I click on this, control is transferred to vision paragraph. This way I can switch from within a page also. So once again you see what I did. First I create a paragraph. In the second paragraph I have given an ID. What ID I give? Vision. You can give any ID of your choice. Now how we link with this ID? Simply in A tag href use for hyperreference, and we give the name of the ID followed by hash. It must be that it is first started with a hash keyword. It is clear? So this way, so you learn that how to create a hyperlink, how to make an image, how to use an image as a hyperlink, how to create a hyperlink within a page. So all this you learn, and how to change the color of these hyperlinks. So for that purpose we use link tag, vlink. Link change the color of initial tags. Vlink shows that it is visited, A link is for active. So all this is about the hyperlink. So do practice at your home. Thank you very much.